Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. Today we'll be talking about what is Flutter. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. What is Flutter? Flutter is an open source SDK launched by Google to build beautiful native apps on iOS and Android from a single code base. Flutter is for developers that want a faster way to build beautiful mobile apps or a way to reach more users with a single investment. Flutter is built with C, C++, Dart and Skia, a 2D rendering engine. When was it released? Flutter was first revealed in Google I/O 2017 as an alpha build. Then in Mobile World Congress 2018, the first beta version was revealed. Why Flutter? The Google game plan behind Flutter launch goes through the Fuchsia route. Fuchsia is a cross-device operating system by Google. Fuchsia is known to be the future of Google's Android Chrome hybrid OS. The team working on Fuchsia says they want it to be the penultimate Google OS running on all phones, tablets, laptops and smart home devices. Google's plan with Fuchsia is to go beyond the world of smartphones. So while now it might seem like Flutter is entirely a mobile-focused strategy, the future that Google has planned for it will have more concepts like cross-platform and cross-device capabilities as well. What programming language to use? Flutter runs on Dart language, a Google-built language that is very similar to Java and C#. Dart is a modern, concise, object-oriented language that developers can easily approach, read, change, replace, or remove. Flutter is approachable to programmers familiar with object-oriented concepts, classes, methods, variables, etc., and imperative programming concepts, loops, conditionals, etc. No prior mobile experience is required in order to learn and use Flutter. How is it different from other development options like ReactNative? Flutter is different than most other options for building mobile apps because Flutter uses neither WebView nor the OEM widgets that shipped with the device. Instead, Flutter uses its own high-performance rendering engine to draw widgets. In addition, Flutter is different because it only has a thin layer of C, C++ code. Flutter implements most of its system compositing, gestures, animation, framework, widgets, etc. in Dart. This gives developers tremendous control over the system as well as significantly lowers the bar to approachability for the majority of the system. Capabilities of Flutter. Flutter is designed to help developers easily achieve a constant 60 FPS. Flutter apps run via natively compiled code. No interpreters are involved. This means Flutter apps start quickly. Flutter implements a hot reload developer cycle. You can expect sub-second reload times on a device or an emulator simulator. Flutter's hot reload is stateful, which means the app state is retained after a reload. This means you can quickly iterate on a screen deeply nested in your app without starting from the home screen after every reload. You can compile and deploy your Flutter app to iOS and Android. Mobile OS, Android Jelly Bean version 16 4.1.x or newer and iOS 8 or newer. Is Flutter open source? Yes, Flutter is open source technology. You can find the project on GitHub. How to get started with it? To get started with Flutter, there is a really good documentation. Link is provided in the description below. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.